What's up, everybody? Welcome back again. It's Chad with Rodgers Wranglers. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2008 JK two-door Sahara. It's got some really cool features on it. Stay with us. I hope you're excited to see another cool Jeep. So all in all, I tell you right now, folks, whoever previously owned this Wrangler did it right, man. It just looks really good. You know, I don't know if it has to do with those lights, the lift, the wheels, the tires. I think it's just a combination of everything on it. And I tell you, even just looking at it right now through my camera lens here, doesn't give it enough justice, man. This Jeep really has a nice stance about it. It sits up a little taller, and it's got a really nice, beefy, aggressive look about it. And I think it really kind of starts to happen here when you get right to the front of the vehicle. You got that Smitty built 10,000-pound winch right there in front of us. Then you got those lights right here, then the lights up top. I mean, it just makes a bold statement right all along, you know? So you do have aftermarket bumper to hook all that in, right? It is your traditional JK, but it's a Sahara, so you're gonna have your silver fenders, right? Power windows, power door locks. You got a little subwoofer in the trunk back there. We do got a good looking set of General Grabler tires on here. American Racing wheels. I'm loving the wheels. They've got a nice polished aluminum going on. And a nice big tire, right? Man, that's looking good. And those are 12.5 by 7 with 17-inch wheels on there. So that's looking really good, the 17s with the 12.5s and all. I think that's what you call a 35 series tire. You have the running boards down on the bottom. And you got this going on up here. Again, just sometimes just simple things like this and like that and this. Maybe not even that simple, but doing the suspension and everything really just kind of sets this Jeep off. Now, it does have a soft top on the back, not a hard top, but the soft top's in great shape, as you can see here. I mean, they're looking good, right? Then you have another Grabler tire there. Okay, so you got your grabber tire there. You got also an aftermarket rear bumper, and this is nice. I like how, you know, a lot of guys with the Jeeps do this. They add this piece on so you can still open up your back doors and all and be able to get into the trunk a little bit easier. Tow package set up in the back. All right, so you got all that. You know, you just grab this and undo that and pull that out, grab that, open that up. You know, there's a couple different things to do, and but you can get right on the back of there. Let's take a look at underneath the suspension. I know a lot of people want to see that, so there you go. There's the undercarriage of this vehicle. Does got some corrosion and stuff like that under here, but again, we always have to remember at the end of the day, this vehicle's over 10 years old. And it's been used as a Jeep. I mean, somebody had a good time in it, right? But it's not too beat up too bad. You know, it's got a few little scratches and things like that, but no major dents or dings on it. Just a few scuffs here or there. It's 2008. They're asking $18,990. Mileage is looking pretty good at 117,000 miles. Looks like we're going to need to order a mirror for it right here. You got your window visors there, which I like. Also, a few things on the inside I really like too is I like these wild boar handles here to grab a hold to help yourself get in, because a lot of Jeeps just have the one coming here, but that's a nice little extra and they're not too expensive. You do got, well, I thought the Sahara was going to have power windows and locks, but we actually got manual windows and locks. Automatic transmission. You do got some gauges in here by Bosch right there. But really clean. One thing for sure, you got cold AC, you got your factory CD player with auxiliary port in there, 4-wheel drive controls here, back seats looking pretty good in the back. You know, the interior is not too crazy well done up and dressed up as much as the outside is, but it does look good with these going on up here and these right there. That's really about the only, and we do got switches going on all right in here. to dial in with our lights on the outside. But overall, $18,990 or best offer. We're trying to sell this vehicle. We've had this Jeep in stock for a little while now, and it's time to go ahead and move it. It runs great, it drives great. If you're in the market to buy a Wrangler, folks, come on down and see us at Rodgers Wranglers in beautiful North Charleston, South Carolina. We've got over 50 to 75 Jeeps on ground any given day of the week, folks. We got a huge selection to pick from. I know you might be sitting at the house right now, chilling out, watching the video, but man, if it's a Saturday and you got off from work this weekend, or even on Sunday, stop by the store, take a look at some Jeeps. You know, put your hands on them, look at them, open the doors, check them out a little bit, and find exactly which one you want. We got a great selection of two-doors. We got TJs, JKs, a little bit of everything, and we're selling a bunch right now. We've sold 5 Jeeps in the last 2 days, folks. We're really jamming with Jeep deals right now in the end or in the middle of August. But we got a ton of 4-door Unlimiteds as well, tons of them, guys. So come on down and see us. We're going to be down in the Hilton Head Island area next month for Jeep Island. It's an event that's going to be going on a weekend in September. So we're going to be down there for that. So if you see us at the booth and all and cruising with the Rodgers Wranglers Jeeps, feel free to give us a thumbs up and say what's up. We'll see you soon, guys. Have a great day. I'm Chad signing out. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe here on YouTube. I'd love to have more Jeep people checking out the videos, and hopefully we can sell a few. Have a great day, guys. I'll see you on the next clip.